Student, in this video we will see chapter 3 trigonometric ratios of complementary angles from unit trigonometry. Clear? Now in right angle triangle ABC, a right angle at B in which this angle B is right angle C is theta, then angle BAC equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus theta. अगर हमारा राइट एंगल एट बी है और एंगल सी थीटा है तो हमारा एंगल क्या हो जाएगा? वी नो दैट द सम ऑफ एंगल ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री, सो 180 डिग्री माइनस दिस 90 डिग्री प्लस थीटा. सो एंगल बी ए सी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री माइनस 90 प्लस थीटा. 180 माइनस 90 इज 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा. सो एंगल ए इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा. क्लियर? नाउ साइन 90 माइनस थीटा, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो से अगर हमें साइन 90 माइनस थीटा निकालना है तब हमारा परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा BC और हाइपोटेन्यूज हमारा होगा AC. सो साइन 90 माइनस थीटा इज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज विच इज BC अपॉन AC. एंड cos थीटा, if we find out cos theta, then in case of cos theta this become base and this become perpendicular. Clear? Concentrate on the angles. So cos theta is BC upon AC. Now student, what we are observing that sin 90 minus theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse which is BC upon AC, and cos theta, in both cases the angles are different. Here the angle is 90 minus theta and here the angle is theta, and in both the ratio we are observing that we are getting the same ratio, BC upon AC. So what we are observing, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. This sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Clear? In same way we will write cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Clear? Understood? Now by using all these complementary angles of trigonometric ratio, we start our exercise 3 of textbook. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इवेलुएट विदाउट यूजिंग टेबल्स. कौन सा टेबल की बात हो रही है? ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल, जिसमें हमने एंगल्स फाइंड किया था. एंगल 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री. क्लियर? तो उस टेबल का बिना यूज़ किए हमें इसको इवेलुएट करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, cos 80 अपॉन साइन 10. सो cos 80 इज रिटन एज cos 90 माइनस 10. 90 minus 10 is 80. So cos 90 minus 10 upon sin 10. Denominator as it is. Now cos 90 minus theta, from this formula we know that cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So cos 90 minus 10 is sin 10. Sin 10 upon sin 10 is cancel. Answer is 1. Very easy. I hope you understood. Question number B, square root of 5 into sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. Root 5 as it is. Sin 18 is written as sin 90 minus 72. 90 degree minus 72 degree is 18 degree upon cos 72 degree as it is. Sin 90 minus theta, from the formula we know that it is cos theta which is cos 72 degree upon cos 72 degree. So root 5 into this become 1. So root 5 into 1 which is root 5. So the value of the answer is root 5. Clear? Now we see next question. Question number 2, evaluate without using table. Sin 54 degree minus cos 36 degree. Sin 54 is written as 90 minus 36 minus cos 36 degree as it is. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta which is cos 36 degree minus cos 36 degree equal to 0. Question number C, cosec 12.5 degree minus sec 77.5 degree. Cosec 12.5 is written as 90 minus 77.5 degree minus sec 77.5 degree. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta which is sec 77.5 degree minus sec 77.5 degree as it is equal to 0. Question number 3E, sin 80 upon cos 10 plus sin 59 into sec 31. Sin 80 is written as sin 90 minus 10 upon cos 10 as it is. Sin 59 as it is. Sec 31 is written as sec 90 minus 59. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta which is cos 10, and sec 90 minus 59 is cosec theta which is cosec 59. Cos 10 and cos 10 is cancelled. 1 plus sin 59 as it is. Cosec is written as 1 upon sin 59. This sin 59 degree is cancelled. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Question number 4D. 3 cos 80 degree into cosec 10 degree plus 2 cos 59 degree into cosec 31 degree. 3 cos 80 degree as it is. Cosec 10 is written as cosec 90 minus 80. 2 cos 59 degree as it is. Cosec 31 is written as cosec 90 minus 59. This cosec 90 minus 80 is sec 80. This cosec 90 minus 59 is sec 59. Sec is written as 1 upon cos 80, and here again the sec is written as 1 upon cos 59. This cos 80 cancel, value comes 1. So 3 into 1 in this, plus 2, this cos 59 is cancelled, value is 1. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Clear? Question number 5. If sin 43 degree equal to m, find the value of cos 47 degree. Cos 47 is written as cos 90 minus 43, which is sin 43 degree, and sin 43 degree it is given in the question. The value of sin 43 degree it is given in the question, which is m. Clear? Question number 2. Sec 47 degree equal to sec 90 minus 43 degree. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, which is cosec 43 degree. Cosec 43 degree is written as 1 upon sin 43 degree, which is 1 upon m. Clear, student? I hope you understood. Okay, so here we are using the trigonometric ratios as well as the complementary angle measurements. Okay, now we see the next question. And question number 7. A. If sin 2a equal to cos 75 degree, find the smallest positive value of a. What is given? Sin 2a equal to cos 75 degree. Now sin 2a is written as cos 90 degree minus 2a equal to cos 75 degree. Now we are seeing that on both left hand side and right hand side cos is there. We eliminate cos, so the left part is 90 minus 2a equal to 75. 2a equal to 90 degree minus 75 degree. 2a equal to 15, which implies a equal to 15 divided by 2 equal to 7.5 degree. So the smallest positive value of a is 7.5 degree. Clear, student? Now question number D. If sec 5 theta equal to cosec 7 theta, prove that theta equal to 7.5. Sec 5 theta equal to cosec 7 theta, it is given in the question. Sec 5 theta in the form of cosec, it is written as cosec 90 minus 5 theta equal to cosec 7 theta. So 90 minus 5 theta equal to 7 theta. Cosec और cosec eliminate हो जाएगा. 90 minus 5 theta equal to 7 theta. 90 equal to 7 theta plus 5 theta is 12 theta. Therefore theta equal to 90 divided by 2, 90 divided by 12. In lowest fraction it is 30 by 4, and which is equal to 7.5 degree. Hence proved. We have to prove that theta equal to 7.5 degree. Clear, student? Now question number 8a. If cos 20 degree equal to m and cos 70 degree equal to n, find the value of m square plus n square. M square equal to, now we have to find m square plus n square. We know that m is cos 20, therefore m square is cos square 20 degree, and n is cos 70 degree, therefore n square equal to cos square 70 degree. हमें m square plus n square निकालना है, तो हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जो हमें निकालना है उसको हम ऐड करेंगे, एंड वी ऑल्सो ऐड राइट हैंड साइड. सो cos square 20 degree plus cos square 70 degree. Cos square 20 degree is written as cos square 90 minus 70 degree plus cos square 70 degree. This cos square 90 minus 70 degree is sin square 70 degree plus cos square 70 degree, and we know from the identity that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So by using that identity we can say that sin square 70 degree plus cos square 70 degree equal to 1. Clear? Now question number 12. Prove that sin 47 degree upon cos 43 degree whole square plus cos 43 degree upon sin 47 degree whole square minus 4 cos square 45 degree equal to 0. Now sin 47 is written as sin 90 minus 43, denominator as it is, and cos 43 is written as cos 90 minus 47 upon denominator as it is, and the third part minus 4 cos square 45 degree as it is. Now sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, which is cos 43 degree upon cos 43 degree, plus cos 90 minus 47 degree is sin 47 degree upon sin 47 degree minus 4 cos square 45 degree. ये कैंसिल होके 1 आ जाएगा, sin 47 कैंसिल होके 1 आ जाएगा, minus 4 cos square 40 degree. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 4, we write cos square 45 degree as 1 minus sin square 45 degree. Clear? So, which is equal to 2 minus 4, 1 minus 1 upon root 2 whole square, 2 minus 4, 1 minus 1 by 2. When we solve, we get 2 minus 2, which is 0, which is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Clear, student? So, you practice this question in your mathematics copy, and in next video we will see the next question. Thank you, student.